Hi everyone. Over the last few weeks, I have been building an AI-powered WooCommerce store assistant using LineGraph, LineChain, OpenAI, RAG, and WooCommerce API. The assistant can act like a virtual team member for a e-commerce store. It can analyze store performance, monitor inventory and low stock product, generate marketing recommendation, create CEO level action plan, answer customer support question using RAG, retrieve store policy, FAQ and shipping information, show coupons, product and business insight in second. Instead of opening multiple dashboard and reports, like at here in the WooCommerce we have multiple dashboard etc. So instead of opening multiple dashboard and report, store owner can simply ask question in natural language. For example, so today performance summary. So it is order today 1, revenue today 54 and total product 18. Which product are low in stock and need restocking? So at here it is showing out of stock product t-shirt with logo, and at here you can see this one out of stock t-shirt with logo, and all other product are currently in stock. What business risk do you see in my store? Actually I make some agent etc, so it is getting information from there like action agent, business agent, CEO agent, inventory agent, marketing agent, support agent etc, so that it is getting that information from my agents. Okay, now my next question was, which business risk do you see in my store? So it is saying it is saying low sale volume. You have 18 product but only one order today with 54 in revenue. Out of stock product, aggressive discount risk. You have 10 active coupon, having 45% off coupon, product range imbalance, return policy risk. So yeah, it is also reading my document etc by a RAG. So I have some RAG etc right here like FAQ, return policy and shipping policy. So it is also reading from here also, and it is given recommendation. So low sell, so review your marketing channel and consider promotion or SEO improvement. Out of stock item, product mix, return policy. Okay, now running more. Give me marketing idea to increase sale this month. So it is giving some marketing idea. You have already a strong coupon available, consider promoting 40% or 45% off, 30% off, feature selling and high value product, cross sell and upsell checkout. So it is giving recommendation from my WooCommerce store, this one directly. Create an action plan to grow revenue by 20%. So it is giving action plan to grow revenue by 20%, increase average order value, and it is action tier discount, first time buyer, loyalty reward, limit high discount, restock and promote best seller, and launch and gift card campaign, improve conversion. All thing is giving by, so that we can get action grow revenue by 20%. What are customer asking most often? I will take two more, order and discount, and how to check order status, how to track an order, can I cancel my order, etc. All information at here. It is also create CU action plan. So I also created one agent, CU agent at here, and it create some data, etc. So create action plan, CU action plan at here. Yeah, it is giving CU action plan, and priority action, inventory, production optimization, coupon strategy, and revenue growth levers, weekly KPI to track, and immediate next step. So all thing at here. And we are using suppose at here some example with rag, etc. So I ask, do you offer international shipping? So it is writing yes, we offer international shipping and we ship to selected international countries. So it read my document and give reply. And what payment method do you accept? It is last. And it is saying Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Stripe. And if you want to check, then you can also check in my FAQ. I have my FAQ, and so it read basically 3 document at here from docs, and answer from there. So I can also do more thing, but due to some time restriction, I am giving some example at here. So the assistant combine business intelligence, customer support, and AI automation into a single interface. This project has been amazing learning experience in AI agent, RAG, and e-commerce automation. and thanks for giving your valuable time.